Ready?
Baby's first haircut. It is July 2nd, 2007.
He's right, Amanda.
He gets so hot with his hair.
He's sweaty. He's like, what the?
He doesn't cry though, he's not freaking out.
I'm helping, right?
No,
It was kind of... That was nice.
He smiles.
Look at his mouth is hanging open. He's smiling, I had to get tickled. He's like, I can feel air on my scalp. His hair is cute, but it'll grow back so fast. In 2 months it'll be probably where it is now. And it's summer, and he's a boy.
Is there something else you can play with? Here. Here, look at this. Look at this over here. Okay.
He looks like a little baby again. With no hair.
Well, that was nice when he looked down.
Are you done? Wow.
It's smooth. Oh, his little hair is cute, but it'll be back.
Come on, boy.
So this is a number 2 you're doing?
Yeah.
Good thing you didn't do number 1. We're gonna put his hair in a baggie.
That's his hair.
It's as soft as animal fur. Then he won't get so hot anymore.
Wow.
Let's do it to Leandra now too. Let's do it to you too. Because it's hot outside, so you don't need any hair. Right? Nah, I'm just kidding.
Oh, he looks so cute. Now he's really gonna look like me.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's good enough, is it?
I like playing with the comb in the hair on the floor. Baby! Takes about 6 months off.
His toes like this right here, right? Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
He's playing in all the hair. He's like, what is this, my hair? Oh my god! Maybe we can give him a bath after he collects the hair up.
Yeah.
Almost 11 months old, first haircut. He looks so young. Oh, when I put that thing around, I'm in trouble. He wants it.
He's pretty like the green-eyed monster in here, right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right down the bench playing bears.
The Green Monster.
Yeah, wait.
You should go to with the book.
Oh, in the book, not the show.
Oh, that's not good.
Okay, baby's all done. Good baby.
Hold on. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Where's my little white brush?
Like that.
In the drawer.
He looks like that. The green-eyed monster like that.
Oh.
Right?
Or maybe I put it back in, I don't know, one of those things.
Right?
Don't want to get his hands
But the
on it.
boy-
Okay, I'm going to go. Say bye-bye, Ethan.
Bye.
Bye-bye, Leandra.